Many organizations are struggling to secure their data and comply with the state, federal, and global data compliance and regulatory requirements. They not only face the risk of penalty, but also risk losing business reputation and customers' trust. Databrackets combines several years of industry insights with a platform-based approach to provide compliance and security solutions using a secured, cloud-based portal. Our services include cybersecurity risk assessments, compliance readiness review, staff awareness training, and much more. Our comprehensive solution includes conducting assessments, identifying gaps, building action plans, and preparing summaries and detailed reports. Larger companies can leverage our professional service team to complete their security and compliance projects. And budget-conscious smaller companies can leverage our DIY platform. We also offer white label capabilities for our partners with a dashboard customized URL and logo. In addition, you can add additional users and share assessments with your colleagues, vendors, and customers. For more information, click on the link below or visit databrackets.com.